In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change website name in Wix. Whether you're rebranding, making updates, or simply want a fresh start, changing your website's name is a quick and straightforward process on Wix. Having the right website name is essential because it's often the first impression visitors get of your online presence. So it's a good idea to make sure it reflects your brand, your message, or your evolving goals. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process, ensuring it's as easy and clear as possible. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and enter your login credentials. This will take you to your Wix dashboard, which is essentially the control panel where you manage all of your websites. If you're not already logged in, make sure to use the email and password associated with your Wix account. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to locate the specific site you want to rename. If you have multiple websites under your Wix account, they'll all be displayed here on the homepage of your dashboard. Find the one you want to update and focus on that. Now, for the next step, you'll want to click on My Site for the specific site you're working on. This option is typically right next to the thumbnail or name of the website. Clicking here will bring up additional options and settings specific to that site. Next, look for the three dots located next to your site's name. These three dots are a menu icon, and clicking on them will open a drop-down menu. This menu contains various management options for your site. This is where you'll find the option to rename your site. From the drop-down menu, select Rename Site. This will open a small window or text box where you can type in the new name for your site. Think carefully about your new site name. It's a key part of your site's identity and branding. Make sure it's clear, relevant, and reflects the purpose of your website. If you're rebranding, you might want to choose a name that aligns with your new direction or goals. Once you've decided on the new name, go ahead and type it into the text box provided. Double-check your spelling to ensure everything looks correct. This step might seem simple, but it's always a good idea to be thorough. A small typo can create confusion for your visitors, so take a moment to review your input. When you're happy with your new site name, click the Save button. This is the final step to confirm and apply your changes. Once saved, your website will officially display the new name you've chosen. It's that easy. Wix takes care of the rest, and your updated site name will now appear on your dashboard and in other areas where the name is displayed. And that's it. You've successfully changed the name of your website on Wix. It's a straightforward process, but it's an important one if you want to keep your site's branding and identity up to date. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.